Hey guys, welcome back to the Circleville YouTube channel. For this video, I wanted to quickly share with you some amazing DeWALT deals going on right now. I believe all of these just started. I will have a link down below that includes the individual deals we are looking at. Here at Tool Nut, we have the DeWALT free 5 amp hour battery when you purchase select tools. So only 6 tools are included. We do have some impact wrenches, circular saw, a deep cut bandsaw if you're in the market for it. If you got 329 laying around, is not a bad deal at all. Really like the bandsaw there. Now another deal is the 4 amp hour battery free when you buy these select tools, and there are 8 total items included here. Not a huge fan of that angle grinder. It's the older one. It's brushed, which isn't necessarily awful, but I think we could do better with other options here. Lots of impact wrenches included. See the jigsaw there. That reciprocating saw is awesome. I really like that reciprocating saw. That's my favorite. That's my go-to. Much better than that Milwaukee hacksaw. Much better. Now for this deal, we're getting a free 2 amp hour battery when selecting or when purchasing select tools. And when I looked at this list, I first saw the compact task light, and oh, I had dreams of double dipping. Because if you remember, the other deal was if you bought the task light, you would get a free 12 volt 3.5 amp hour batteries and the charger. There was like a little starter kit going on when you bought this light. And I thought, oh man, let's get them both. That would have been deal alert worthy because that would have been amazing. But when you add this to your cart on ToolNut's website, all you get is the 2 amp hour battery, which fine, okay, that's probably the way it should have been, but I'm a greedy pig and I would have loved the double dip. So we also have the fan at $139. It's not an amazing deal. Actually, I don't know. They came up with the second one. Is this the updated version? Because it looks kind of goofy. It looks a little different than the one I have. Anyway, I bought a DeWALT fan, and it was like $79 at CPO, and I think it came with a free battery. That was several years ago. That deal is long gone. But $139 for the fan, just it seems like a lot. Now what I do like is the oscillating tool, because $99 is a pretty good bare tool price, but then throwing in that 2 amp hour battery on top of it, pretty good deal if you can use the oscillating tool. Now also over at Tool Nut, they have their tool deals page, and you can see these were the latest ones added. And we also have this for the 2-piece toolkit here with the drill and impact driver. It comes out to $159. And I was actually looking at this set earlier today, but I might not have all the details completely right. I think Home Depot has this with possibly like a drill or drive bit set for also $159. And then Ace Hardware had this, or maybe possibly a very similar set that was $199 and maybe the free 2 amp hour battery, but it was $199. So we have a couple of options, but it's not the best DeWALT has to offer. So I wouldn't be incredibly intrigued by it, really no matter what it is. They're probably fine. They probably work. But again, it's just not the latest and greatest. We've got a bunch of Milwaukee deals. We're going to stick with the DeWALT stuff for this video, though. We have, here is the Power Stack deal where you get the Power Stack kit with select tools. So that's the 1.7. I believe it was the DCB 112 charger. That's the 2 amp output. And a variety of tools to choose from with that. And all of these other deals have been around for a little while. They're not new. And this is the one where you get 2 of the Power Stack batteries. And like the jigsaw is included here, but since the light didn't work, I'm going to go ahead and assume that you can't get everything, but it doesn't hurt to try. We have quite a bit of overlap with other tools that were in other promotions, actually. We got the jigsaw here, that oscillating tool, and I'm sure this impact wrench was one of the impact wrenches we saw. Here's that angle grinder. I'm going with the jigsaw, though, and let's just see what happens. I'm not optimistic, but yeah, it just shows the 2. So the jigsaw deal was with the 4 amp hour battery. If I go to their product page, let's just see what happens when I add that to the old cart. Well, fuck me running. I didn't even realize they were 2 different jigsaws. Nope, that didn't work either. So, hey, you don't know until you try, right? Now here's another deal where you get the starter kit and a 4 amp hour battery. Now, looks like they got their double dip game locked down. I tried adding the LED light and didn't get any of the other offers. Oh, how cool would it be if all of those just stacked together? That would definitely get canceled. Ain't no way that would get shipped. Fella can dream, though. See what other DeWALT promotions we got. We got $60 off the 2-pack of 5 amp hour batteries. Highly doubt that's a better deal than just finding 2 tools in one of those initial deals we looked at. Here we have for the 12-volt starter kit with select tools. So that's the one I was mentioning earlier. You get the 5 and the 3 with the charger, and you could select that guy right there. And it's, I think it was 119, maybe it was 129 at Tool Nut. But again, did not double dip. And then real quick, we have the 40% off select tools and accessories. We can do a quick perusing of that. $99 for the 12-volt brushless drill. Not too bad there. There's that 2-pack of 5s. $229 for the grease gun kit with the 4 amp hour battery. It's actually a pretty good deal. I think Home Depot has it at the same price. There's definitely another retailer that has it at that price because I just looked it up within the last week or two. Of course, we saw the oscillating tool down to $99. And the table saw from $649 down to $529. I'd love to upgrade my table saw, and I'd love to have it on a stand with wheels. That would be awesome. Alright guys, that is it for the DeWALT deals. I will leave a link down below that has everything you need. Thanks for watching. Make sure to give the video a like, subscribe for a nice subscriber. And by the way, those initial deals we looked at are all going through June 30th. So obviously things sell out. They may be gone. Or they may be sold out now and come back in stock. But you have several months, okay? Thanks for watching. See you next time.